If your GMC Acadia with the 3-liter engine turns the key but stays silent, follow these steps to find the culprit. Statistics show that 80% of no-start issues in this platform are caused by simple electrical issues like corroded terminals. Let us break down the diagnostic process to get you back on the road. Start by checking the battery terminals for corrosion and testing the voltage before moving to more complex components. If the battery is solid, focus your attention on the starter solenoid or the main engine ground strap. Secondary culprits often include the ignition switch or a faulty neutral safety switch, which prevents starting in park. Simple tasks like cleaning terminals are easy DIY fixes, but starter replacement or ECU issues should go to a professional. This chart shows how costs spike significantly once you move from basic electrical cleanup to replacing the actual starter motor. For advanced diagnostics, use a multimeter to verify power is reaching the starter signal wire during the crank cycle. Ensure you have a basic toolkit including a multimeter and proper safety gear before you begin working on your vehicle. Remember that if you hear a rapid clicking, stop immediately to avoid damaging your starter or wiring harness. Thanks for watching this guide on the GMC Acadia. Subscribe for more troubleshooting tips for your 3-liter engine.